Dell'osso Family Farm. We're doing our pumpkin patch, you guys. Let's see, it's a big pumpkin patch. Company, it's a big farm or it's a big pumpkin patch. This is the freeway. The parking lot is huge. Very well organized, the directors of the parking lot. And now we're gonna go inside and buy our tickets. The weekdays is cheaper than weekends. It's like $18, I believe. I'm not too sure.
There's a store.
We made it in, so let's see what they have here on the map. Pumpkin patch, where are we? Oh, we're right here. So we're here, they have a bakery, gem mining, carousel, pumpkin patch, oh, the haunted house, and the corn maze. The slide hill, pony rides, cider hill. Wow, okay. Oh, they have a hay ride. Okay, let's go. Let's go look at the pumpkin patch. This is the country store. Look, they have a kiddie playland. So I see the corn maze all the way over there. That's, oh my goodness, I want to sit on that rocking chair. Wow. Anybody want to take a picture of me? With me?
Charlie, push him out.
Whoa, Arnie! Take a picture. I'm slipping. Can you take a picture of me on my phone?
Really, Carly? That's what you did. Yeah, I went over. You went.
Hello. We'll do 3 buckets. Oh, it's apples.
Yeah.
Every bucket. Thank you.
Have a good time.
We got a bucket of apples. Ooh. We're gonna choose a target or let's go towards the end.
That's a lot of apples. Shooting. The crosshairs. Yeah. And it's apples. Probably show one of the apples.
Apples.
These are real apples.
Apple.
Hey, you got stuff over there.
You gotta stop. Ready, you wanna try? Chili, you wanna try?
Try one, Chili. Which one are you aiming for? The big one? Right there, that should be good. Let me see. I don't know how to calibrate. Let me see. Out of time?
Oh, you were close. Stop hitting the. How's the apple, Carly?
You know your phone over here.
Yeah, I know.
How does it taste? They're eating the ammunition. Eating the ammo.
Hey.
You could have taken out. Oh my goodness, that's so close.
Oh, down to your last apple.
Oh! Again. I gotta hit at least something. Hit the back. What's the pumpkin? Fire.
Right between the eyes.
I did it! That was so much fun. We're entering the pumpkin maze, the corn maze. No liability. No liability.
That's bro.
We chose corn maze number 1.
Oh, this is like real cool. I cannot see. Yeah, I want to see that too. Is it neat back?
This is cheats.
Can you see it?
This is what Clue is. It gives you cheats.
Wow.
Wow.
OMG. This thing is huge.
Okay, so we're right here. Mom,
Huh?
we're right here.
The thing is, where? Wait, Carly. There we go.
Okay, so I think we go.
Imagine this in the nighttime. That's the first one we were on. We're almost out. Carly Chalet! This is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing my shirt from Comic-Con. Okay, I gotta go before I get lost. We're in the maze still. The 3 kids are ahead of us. We're like almost 30 minutes into this maze. It is hot. And we're slowly trying to, we can hear them. Wait. I hear Bear saying, wait a minute. They're having a discussion. Oh, that is. I can hear them. They're trying to decide if they're going the right way or not. We'll see. Are we lost? Oh wait, we're in the pumpkin. So we have this map. This is like the cheat map. So we're in the pumpkin. So if we can go straight, we'll where are we now? Oh wait, I feel like we're in the pumpkin. Yeah, we'll find our ways. Whoa, we'll find our way out soon. kids over here. Sorry, little kids. I had to scare you.
Go ahead, guys. Go. I was about to run into a wall. Yeah, you don't keep us behind you. Here. Hey.
Tiny Town. Taking a look in Tiny Town. We just noticed all the parents here standing in the shade. It's cute.
Go ahead, hold on.
Cute. Where did they go? Oh, there, I see them. It looks quite new. This town looked like was just recently added. Yeah, it's really nice.